man. What are we talking about? Practice?
They gon' love me for my ambition. Beautiful music, painting pictures, this be my vision.
How's it going, everybody? Complex Ambition is bitch sound. You guys already know, so it's All-Star Weekend. At this time of year, every year, Nike, Jordan, Adidas, a whole bunch of brands, they do these releases because there's so much hype around sneakers, basketball, and all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? The NBA, they got it going on this time of year. It's like their version of a Super Bowl. Today we have a release from this All-Star Weekend. Friday release, first drop. It's the Gold Toe Air Jordan 1s. Now, we've seen these at Complex Con over the summer, I believe.
Complex Con exclusive. So we have the gold toe box and the white toe box, obviously.
They were complete, like top 3 gold, so they had completely different patches, but these, I believe, were made differently, but nevertheless, the color designs, people love it. Gold toe, patent leather, but we're gonna do an unboxing revealing. I just picked these up right now, and we're gonna see how it goes. Our Instagram's at complexambition.supply to purchase shoes, Supreme, a whole bunch of shit. Follow that, DM us, get right into it. This is the unboxing of Now you guys see right here, this is the normal box, Air Jordan box. Got these in line at Eblin's, you know what I'm saying? I was first in line, luckily. Made it in time to my class. Yeah, I feel like Black Panther. Reaction out and review to Black Panther, the movie. We were there. Go check it out. Here we have them. I'm gonna actually take these outside for you guys to take a better look at. Right on campus, the beautiful University of Rhode Island. But here are the shoes right here, guys. They come with 2 separate iterations of laces, gold and white, along with the black stock already. But these are beautiful, man. Comment down below, let me know how you guys feel about the patent leather. You guys think that they should do this with more colorways? I think that this is like the only one that they can get away with. If they try to do something else, like a red or something, I feel like it would just look a bit too weird. Yeah, but these are fire, man. Black sole bottoms. Now you see the difference in the colors. One side's white, one side's black. I believe in the top 3 version, the Complex Con, this black was on this side for one of them, and this white was on the other side. So this time around, they just kept it white on the same sides. So that right there is the difference. You know what I'm saying? There's gonna be a lot of fakes of these popping up, I can already tell, especially since that little detail right there. 2 different versions of the same shoe. But don't get fooled, guys. Comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification button. More sneaker videos coming soon. Yeah, what more can I say? Michael Jordan, very competitive person. A lot of people don't like him. Just when I thought there was a fall, he's rising again. The shoes are always rising. Jordan's been unstoppable this past month. Is gonna keep going this weekend. We got some cement 3s tomorrow. We're gonna check them out. But oh man, Adidas. Hopefully they have their run soon again. They gotta pick it up with the boost. They gotta do some other stuff. They gotta do more Yeezys. They gotta pick it up, man. They've been dropping the ball. But I'm an Adidas fan, so I have high hopes for them. Puma competition, not at all. What are we talking about? We talking about practice?
What are we talking about? Practice?
Je m'appelle Sound and et toi? Complex Ambition. Why did I speak French right there? Because I'm weird.
On the scale, weigh it up and then go sell. You know I keep that shell like I work at Taco Bell.